Good evening, Farmer Joe here. It's just nearly 9:30 here, Sunday night. And nice relaxation after a long walk there. It was great, you know. This fella's knackered now. He's had to been chasing rabbits. Skipper. Another little fella here now. He's nice and relaxed there tonight, you know. And to be honest, I'm very relaxed myself. Very calm night now tonight. Not a movement, look at. Not a movement in any of them trees, look. They say it's calm before the storm. Well, in our situation over here, it's calm after the storm. But I can tell you one thing, people are asking me on social media, what is single one ingredient food? Single one ingredient food is naturally produced or grown food. So a chicken, if it's produced by a farmer, that's single one ingredient food, chicken. If there's no additive, if it's not processed or anything like that. And then after that, you've got eggs, you've got steak, you've got beef, you've got lamb, you know, you've got pork if you want to eat pork. You've all these meats, you know, and they're all naturally produced food. There's no barcodes on the side. If you went to your local butcher, even your supermarkets, all these packed meats, mince, all this type of stuff, you know, turkey mince, you know, especially the turkey now for Christmas, even a bit of ham people are eating geese, people are eating ducks. That's all naturally produced. And then you've got, you know, your vegetables, you know, your carrots, your sprouts, your peas, your swede or turnip as we call it over here, you know, cabbage. All that is single one ingredient food. When I say a mix of single one ingredient food, you put a few of them ingredients together. Like I do omelettes an awful lot there, 3 egg omelettes. And I would have 9 or 10 vegetables in the omelettes. So that's the type of food I'm eating. And to be quite honest with you, eating that type of food and only drinking water, little bit of exercise, a little bit of calisthenics, out walking, I was able to lose 30 kilos in 5 months. Now I never thought that was possible. I don't eat carbohydrates, I don't eat white bread, I don't do any bread. So I don't eat bread, I don't eat refined flours, I don't eat seed oils. So if I'm cooking, I'd either cook in, you know, coconut oil, olive oil, or even sometimes a bit of butter. But that's all I use, you know. I don't use seed oils at all. And you know, I used to suffer with left knee pain here from football. It's like having a brand new knee. Now, people say, come on, it couldn't be that good. And listen, even my eyesight is coming back. You know, my eyesight, I used to wear glasses all the time using the phone. I can see the minutes on this video on this phone. I could never see them before. You know, 3 minutes 32 there. I could never see small print. And since I started eating single one ingredient food, your body improves. Tell you another thing as well. I notice this now. You don't suffer with BO when you eat clean food. I know what it means now when people say, "Oh, they're clean eating." You know, if you eat clean food, as in the food I just mentioned there, and I've all my recipes up on all the social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I put it up all over the place, just to show people. Skipper, come back. He's going on a rampage. Come here, a ramble. Come over here. You know, I would genuinely. He's very good. He's coming back. I would genuinely, you know, eat all that good food, and you feel great after it. You feel clean after it. Look at this fella. How good this fella is. Good boy. Well done. You see, you feel good after it. Now come on up. Good boy. So that's what single one ingredient food is. And I know, look, coming up to Christmas, people are going to find it difficult, you know. I don't eat sugars, don't eat any sugar whatsoever. So I won't be having me mince pies, me Christmas pudding, me Christmas cakes, you know, me trifles, none of that. And I love all that type of stuff. It's just that I won't compensate the way I feel now at the moment to eat all that type of stuff. And if people were thinking about doing it, do it after Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas and then do it after Christmas. Now listen, Farmer Joe in Dublin, this is coming up to 5 minutes now on this video. Or over, yeah, just there again now. But look, all have a nice Sunday night. So I'm quite content what I'm doing, quite happy out here. And I always tell people, get out to nature. Seriously, you get a lot of answers to your questions. Even walk as a family over Christmas. You'll feel great in yourself. Now listen, I wish you all the best of luck. Take care of yourself in your journey through life. You know, 10. If you get 70, you're lucky. I have another 10 years to go if that's the case. I'm nearly 60. But look, at the end of the day, I'm enjoying doing what I'm doing. You know, I love Farmer Joe with this cap. This is a character that I'm doing, and I'm going to carry this right all the way through. It's on Farmer Joe Kids TV on YouTube there. Kids cartoons. A few songs. I've written over 100 songs, but the animation was quite expensive, so I had to slow back in that at the minute till I get a few sponsors on board. And I will get them on board. And listen, all have a nice evening. Take care of yourself. Farmer Joe in Dublin wishes all the best. Bye bye now.